county.
President Uhuru Kenyatta has nominated Nancy Janet Kabui Gathungu for the position of Auditor General.
Gathungu was the first among the top 3 candidates presented to the president for nomination to a position that has been vacant for close to a year now.
And as George Maringa now reports, Gathungu will have a lot on her entry.
Former Auditor General Edward Ouko vacated office following expiry of his 8-year term. President Uhuru Kenyatta has nominated Nancy Janet Kabui Gathungu. The Public Service Commission began recruitment of the Auditor General, which attracted 70 applicants. 17 were shortlisted for interviews in October last year, and 3 names forwarded to the President for appointment. But Gathungu already has a full in-tray should her appointment sail through. For 10 months, nearly 150 state corporations have not published audited financial reports as required by law. With no one to hold office, Ouko had already warned of a looming lacuna.
Initiation of the replacement or recruitment of the auditor. Right now I'm leaving office. As I've left office, who is going to sign the reports? Now, well, it is demoralizing for the staff to know that they're working, and then they don't know who will then sign the report.
Established under Article 229 of the Constitution, the Auditor General is expected within 6 months after the end of each financial year to audit and report on the accounts of national and county governments, the courts, commissions and independent offices, the National Assembly, Senate and county assemblies, political parties fund, public debt, and any other entity that legislation requires the Auditor General to audit. Thereafter, audit reports shall be submitted to Parliament or the relevant county assembly. Little known Nancy Gathungu, who hails from Nyeri County, currently serves as the Director of Quality Assurance at the Auditor General's Office, a position she has held from February 2014. Prior to that, she served as Deputy Director at the Kenya National Audit Office. All eyes shall now be trained on the National Assembly for vetting. Should Parliament approve her appointment, Gathungu will serve for a period of